Good afternoon. My name is Tang from ProQuest Information and Service, and today I'm going to talk about the essential of the Alexander Street platform. Okay, let me share my screen. Let's go ahead. And the objective of this section is to introduce how to browse the Alexander Street platform by collection or disciplines. And also I will walk you through by different result type, different format, and also how to create a link or to a group or add to a list. And firstly, the Alexander Street, there is two platforms on Alexander Street platforms, and one is the multimedia platform, the other is the video platform. And on the multimedia platform, there are different search levels from interface to discipline to commodity to collection. Okay, I will demo later on. And this is how you access the Alexander Street collections. Firstly, please go to the database on your library homepage, and then you can type in Alexander Street and do a search here. Right after you search, instantly it will show up all the collections that Hong Kong BU has access on Alexander Street platform. There are 10 kind of database, and as you can see, there are different color representing the different content of the collection. You see the orange is the video. The video will be presented on the video platform, as I just mentioned a second ago. And also you have a multimedia. Multimedia means the document or books or sound clips, audio clip, that means, and also video. Those will be presented on multimedia platform. Okay, firstly, I would like to introduce the multimedia platform first. The multimedia platform provide access to mixed collections in the different formats in the collections, from the video to music, that means sound audios, and also document or manuscript. And as you can tell from the URL, start with search.alexanderstreet.com, whereas the video platform will start with video.alexanderstreet.com. Okay, this is actually a new enhanced video interface designed especially for video viewing. Okay, and on the multimedia platform, there are, as I said, there are 4 different search levels from the interface, and that means if you are searching on the interface level, that means you are searching all the resources from the multimedia platform, regardless what collection or what disciplines. Okay, let's go to the disciplines. If you are searching on a discipline level, that means you are searching a specific discipline, regardless from which collection. And then the community under a specific discipline, and then a collection. And actually, each one is more specific than the last. That means collection is more specific than community. Community is more specific for discipline, and discipline is more specific for interface. Okay, here comes the multimedia platform, the main page. And on the top right, you will find a search box. From here, you can perform interface search. That means, as I said, if you enter a keyword here, that means you are searching all the resources, all the data on the multimedia platform that you have access. Okay, and before go ahead, I would like to mention that this search platform is a little bit different from the usual search platform because we want the search to be simple and specific, and we don't support and or not that kind of operators. And also, please double check your spelling before perform a search, because there is no function such are you search do you mean something like that. And also the word order actually in the search box it doesn't care about the case and punctuation. Those are not important. Okay. Okay, other than the interface search, you can also find the disciplines here. From the drop down, you will find 10 different disciplines, 10 different disciplines, plus one my video. It's the collection owned by your library. Okay, and under each disciplines, for example, health science. If you click health science, it will show you some community, and there are 8 community under the health science, but it is different from different disciplines. For example, if you pick and choose history, there may be 4 community, so not necessarily every discipline has 8 community. Okay, and then lastly, you can go to the collection. My collection. Actually, those are 10 collections that Hong Kong BU has subscribed it, plus one my institute's content. Again, your institute content owned by Hong Kong BU Library. And actually, these are 10 collections that Hong Kong BU Library has subscribed it, resources from on the Alexander Street platform. You can pick and choose and one of them to perform your search. And here is the advanced search. On the advanced search, on the left side, there is also a discipline. Of course, by default, you are searching all disciplines, but you can pick and select one specific disciplines. And if you want to have search within cross search multi-disciplines, then you can go to the bottom part of the window, and there is a discipline selection here. From here, you can multi-select different disciplines. Of course, you can still select one single discipline if you want. And also you can pre-select different formats. As you can see here, is audio, web resources, text, and video. By default, it's all checked, but if you want, you can uncheck it. And on the top, there are different fields. You can enter a keyword to search in different fields. Okay, and a certain field like the author or the speaker or the person discussed it, there is a browse mechanism. You can click the select item. It will have a drop down list that you can browse and to pick and choose. By the way, there is on the top there is a number here. How many items will be found? because now we are searching all disciplines and all formats, right? So in a way, that means on the multimedia platform, there is a hundred and ten K items you can access on multimedia platform. And when you change for example, if you change to health science, or if you change to I want to find audio or text only, the number here will change instantly. So you have an idea how many results you will find. And of course, if you will enter some keyword here, the number here will also change instantly. Okay. And after you perform a search, this is the search result page. Search result page. And before you work with the result, I strongly recommend that uh, every user should sign up their personal account in order to fully utilize all the features, like creating a crib and making a bookmark, or creating a list, something like that. All these features require a personal account. Okay, and if you click the personal account, there's a link to create new account. Then you can enter your email address and first name, last name, and that's it. You are ready to go to have to sign up a user account. Okay, let's go back to the search result page. And in this example, I'm searching with world music on interface level. It returned 1900 results. And actually, if I think that 1900 is more than I can handle, then I can search again within this results. But if you want to do a brand new search, you can also click the all content here to do a brand new search. But by default, it is within this result. That means when you enter a keyword here, that means this keyword will be searching those 1900 only, not all the content. And on the top right, you can also have an option to change the sorting order of the result set. From the relevancy to the latest to the oldest, and also by title or by album, depend on the format. And these are the result set here. And from this screenshot, you will notify that there is a small icon in front of each title name. Here, the first one that represented it is a document. The second one represented it is an audio clip, audio file, and the third one is video. Okay. And on the right hand side of each of the result, there is some we call it a quick link to a plus site that will add this item into your list, and also you can email it and also share it in different ways. Okay. And on the left, there is some you can do some filtering to refine your search. There are some refinement tools on it, such you can limit the format, the content type, and but I want to specially mention that on the top on the top left, there is an option include sample content. That means now you are searching world music, you return 1900 results from the resources that you have subscribed. But since there is a lot other resources on Alexander Street platform that you haven't subscribed yet, but if you want to have a look, then you can turn this on. Turn this on. If you turn this on, it may return a lot more results, and those results will also merged into the result set. But those results will only provide pretty limited informations. But just for your information, there is such a content within our Alexander Street platform. And on the thumbnail of each item, you can find a seed detail. When you mouse over the seed detail, there will show up a window with all the detail of this item, and within this window, you can also cite, email, add this item to playlist, and also share, and or you can create a embedded link here. And if you want to play one of the item, you can either click the title name or click the thumbnail here. Okay, let's. I have screen captured some page of the different formats, and this is the document view. That means text view. But still, there is some pictures. So no matter it is a manuscript or if it's a book, it is a document, it will all show up in this format. And from this content view, you can also read it. See this icon here. It will provide a two-page view for you, and from here it will kind of a kind of table of content, and from here you can annotate, and the metaphor class you can perform a search. I will demo it later on the live demo section. And also you can change the page. These are down arrow and up arrow. You can advance or go backward per page. Okay, and you can also zoom in and zoom out. You can print, and you can turn on the full screen display from here. Okay, and this is the audio interface, audio player. And you will find the tracks. If normally the audio player will the audio clip will have different tracks, like a CD will different track. It will show up all the different tracks. It will show the detail. If there is some related document about this item, it will also show up. Sometimes it is in PDF format. And on the top, you can play the audio. You can shuffle, or you can control the volume. On the right hand side, you can bookmark it, and you can create an audio clip. The C source, you can create audio clip. Okay. And this is the video player for the multimedia platform. As I mentioned, if for some of the purely video collection that will be played on and a specific video interface platform. But because this video is within the multimedia collection, it will only play it on the multimedia platform and something like this. But the functionality is quite similar, Okay, and on the bottom of the screen, you will also find something similar to the audio clip player, and you can also toggle from full screen and also collapse it, and then you can also toggle the caption. You can show caption or turn off the caption, and these two this one is the layout like this, the screen and also the transcript. For this one is similar to full screen. It will only enlarge the screen size and will collapse the transcript display. And here is something like TOC, table of content, but in pictures. And this is the bookmark, and also this is the you can edit and create a clip for further use. Okay, and uh, when this video playing, the related transcript will be highlighted. And also you can also search within the transcript. If you, for example, if you click one of the transcript in the middle, then the video will instantly switch to that the part of the video. And as I said, the video platform is only for those purely video collections. Those are free video collections that Hong Kong BU Library has subscribed it. The Asia Film Online, the 60 Minutes, the BBC Video Collection. And this is what the video platform looks like. And this is the 60 minutes plus, and you can play channel. That means play all the items here, or you can and also this is some description of this channel. And then when you click one of the thumbnail here, you can see the detail of this thumbnail. When you play this video, you can pause or play the video from here. And also from here, you can turn off or turn on the caption. You can control the video quality. Also, you can decide to show or hidden the video information, or you want to enter or exit the full screen display. And on the top, there's a few tabs here. Now we are in the full screen display format. And next to it is the transcript. You can prefer to show transcript on the right-hand side. And the detail is to show video information. The clip is to show existing clip, or you want to create a clip. And also you can share your video, and you can cite this video. Let's take a look on what this looks like when you click the transcript. That means, you know, that there's a kind of sidebar show up for the transcript. And for the detail, it will show up the detail of this video. And for the scripts, it will show up if you already have some script created from this video. If not, you can click the red icon here to create a new script. When you click it, then on the second half of the screen, there will be some option for you to create a script. You can set the script title. You can set the script title. You can enter some description for the script, and also you can slide to define the length of the script. You can move the cursor, the start and the end cursor here, and when you slide it, you will see the timestamp here changed it, and also when to start, when to finish, and you can have an option on who can choose to who you want to share, in a way, who you want to share. Oh, I didn't capture those options. You can have options on only visible to you, or you can share with all user of the Hong Kong BU, or you want to share it publicly. There is 3 options, and you can also create an embedded link that you can share. This is the permanent link here. You can copy it, or you can copy this embedded code into your actually this is HTML code. You can copy and paste it on your web page, and also you can share with some social media. Talk about the site. If you want to cite this video, there are different options on the output style. When you pick and choose the correct output style or the output style you want, it will be created here, show up here, and then you can copy the citations, or you can export the citation to Rava or Endo or other citation management tool. If you want to the platform to remember the output style you preferred, then you can check this box, remember selected tile. So next time you don't bother to select again from the pull down menu. Okay. Okay. That's all for my PowerPoint. And before I go ahead for the live demo, is there any question?
Okay, thank you for the PowerPoint sharing. So student and audience, do you have any questions related to the PowerPoint that's presented by Alan just now? Alan has already shown us the features and the location of the sidebar and how do we click on the clips, how do we click on the tabs of the video platform. Perhaps we can go ahead to do the live demonstration.
Yes. I take the silence as a good sign that they have no question. Okay, let me turn off the PowerPoint first. Thank you. And okay, I will firstly I will go with the multimedia platform. By the way, this is the video platform, and this is the multimedia platform. And as you can see on the top right, there's a search box. And actually, this is interface level search. For example, if I want to search with a keyword, blue color. That means I am searching all the content, all the resources within the multimedia platform. Okay, here comes the result. First of all, I got 250 results from the keyword blue collar, and if I want, I can search again with another, combine it with another keyword. I can search within this result. That means within this 250 results. But I can also have an option to search a brand new search again, or among those all contents again. Okay, and from here you can see the icon in front of the title name. This the headphone means this is an audio clip, and this a document icon, that means it is a text file, and you can see the frame view, that means it is a video. Okay, it's a video, and as I said, on the right, there's always some quick links to you can click the plus. That means you are adding this item to your list, and of course you can also email, and you can also share. But when no matter what action you take, I would strongly recommend that you because I logged in already. So you may want to click here to create your user account, which is pretty simple. And also I would point out there's so many different language interface you can choose from. For example, I want to choose traditional Chinese interface. It will change instantly. All the character will change to Chinese, traditional Chinese. But of course, all the content, for example, when you look at the you open this document, the content will still be English. And also, if you play this video, the content will also be English. But the transcript, actually, you can also translate it into different language as well. Okay, let me change it back to English. Okay. And also you can, for example, you can change the sorting order to relevancy, the sort by title name, the newest or the oldest, and also you can sort the order by title album or segment by track, something like that. And on the left, you can also let me close the bookmark so you have more space to see. Turn it on. Okay. And on the left-hand side, now I have 254 results on my result set. If I turn on this one, sample content, okay, I got a lot more, 6,000 something. And for those, on the right-hand side, there's a marked sample here. That means actually you don't have, you haven't yet subscribed this content, but we want to show you there's a content out there. I can show you the detail, or even when you played it, you can just play a little bit. For example, I click this one. See, you can click, but you can just listen for for example maybe a minute or so. maybe just a minute or so. Okay, let me go back. And under the search result portion, and you can also select disciplines, different discipline. Remember that we are searching the entire interface. We haven't selected a particular discipline. Now you have a chance to select disciplines, different disciplines, and because there's a long list, so you can always click more. So you can multi-select it. Oh, I want to something from music and performance art. I want something from art and design, but I don't want to have something from social science. I don't want something from history. See, then you can click the update. Then the result set will be updated according to your selection. You can multi-select here. There's a whole lot of option actually. There's some other formats, text, video, audio. Actually, there should be one more. Let me check. Yes, related web resources. That means even though we don't have that content, but we can link you out to open web, so you can access the resources. And also we can have a very comprehensive indexing from content type to author to speaker to duration or subject to year written. A whole lot of options here. You can filter. For example, subject. You can pick and choose which subject you want to view. See a whole lot of quite a long list. Okay, for example, let me go to change the sorting order to the newest first. Okay. And also I want to turn off the sample content. See, for example, I want to take a look at this one. Then I can click here or click the thumbnail here. I can click. Okay. Okay. First of all, you can zoom in and zoom out. You zoom out, or you can uh, turn it to a full screen display, and also you can print it out, and you can also even rotate it, clockwise or anti-clockwise. The whole lot of options. You can, vertical scrolling or horizontal scrolling or rapid scrolling, a different way to scroll. And also you will find, I would like to demo this one first. The thumbnail here, the thumbnail, you can have a visualized page. You can click different page here. Okay. And you can also do a search within this the document. Let me okay. Autonomous. Okay. Seems that there's not a lot of this keyword in the document, but still, I can demo it. You see the tab here. That means the where is the keyword hit located. You can either click here from here, or you can click here to switch to the location of the hidden keyword here. Okay. This is how we, how we play with the content display. And also, let me go to, this is the video. Let me try with this video.
So let's go ahead. So again,
Can you guys hear the sound?
Yes, we can hear.
Okay.
It is
Yes.
May 21st
Thank you.
at 10:30
See?
in the morning, and we are at St. Mary's
As it play,
College.
it highlights
starting our
the words.
interview. So, Megan, would you like to start by telling us a little bit about
Okay.
your childhood?
I can change it to full screen
A little
mode.
bit about yourself.
I can,
yeah, that's what we're gonna do. But it's
set the
gonna take a
resolution
Yes.
here, and I can
my
also turn on the caption.
Well,
So that's the option when I
born
play.
in January 30th, 1965,
Okay.
to Raymond and Andrea Buell.
And I can also
My home
turn
was
it
in
into
Whiting,
this way,
Indiana.
kind of table of
Hospital St.
content.
Catherine's,
You can pick and choose one of
Hospital.
the item. Here it will jump to that item. Okay. You can also create a bookmark here.
Focused on that, which is what all the other.
You can also create a bookmark.
Then I won't, I won't leave myself.
Now we are at the
think about girl stuff.
33 second. That means your bookmark is on the 33 second, and you can also
So I kind of
create a clip because I have already logged in with my
And, like,
user account,
it's
so I
pretty
can enter a clip.
I had a pretty
I can
creative
move
mind, and I would,
the start
you know,
mark here. I want to start at 44 minutes 39 seconds and end it at
and it was
ended at 1 hour 4 minutes 4 seconds, something like that.
I
That means
my dad and actually
I am the length of my clip will be 19 minutes 35 seconds. I can enter a title.
In high school, I wanted nothing to do with the name. And
Something like that.
my transition,
And I
in
can
essence, have my
choose
title and last name intact.
only me can access, or anyone at my institution can access.
Complete 180.
Anyone else can access.
To that,
Okay.
that I was
For example, I want to
struggling
just me. Okay, I save it.
comfortable and so understanding of who I am, that it's important.
My clip has been saved
that
it
person,
now.
And people have asked, like, well,
I keep a pause. Okay, I turn here. See, now I have because I have previously created a clip from here, so I just create a new clip here. A new clip here. That's a plus. I can add it to my list. I can add to my list, and I can also play it. I can create a embedded link here. I can edit it. I can delete it. Okay, this is how you create a clip. Okay, let's. I would like to demo a search from the collection level. For example,
Alan, I
yes.
just have a quick question when
Yes.
a user or myself at HKB Library create a clip on Alexandra Street platform. So do I need to create a separate account so that the clip can be saved under my personal account? And then when I log into this platform and in another term and review the clip that I customized previously?
No, you just need to have one single account only.
One
User
single
account.
account.
Yes, yes. Even you can use this your account on the video platform. Same
That's
login.
mean when I finish the customization of the clips on this platform, and I can review my clips, the previous clips that I created, right?
Yes, yes. I can show you now. You see on the top, there's a clip. On here, it shows the clip of this video, right? But when I click here, clip here, oh, come on.
A little bit slow.
Okay. Now it shows all the clip I have access to. If you can remember, other than me only, I can also share with my institution or publicly. Now, for example, I want to switch to show only my clip. I can click here. Then it show only my clip only, right? Only my clip. Okay. This is the clip I've been created. Something like, oh, a long time ago. See,
Yes,
long
2
time
years
ago.
before.
Yeah. So, and you have options, or I want to view those only share within my institution. You have the option here. This one, for example, just share within the institution, and this one, and you can share with everyone. So different options here. Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Oh, I'm sorry, I suddenly aware we have 5 minutes left. Okay.
Time flies.
Time flies. But I just want to demonstrate maybe advanced search. Advanced search here. Advanced search. Okay. For example, well, I want to, which one? Maybe music and performance art here. I want to focus on these collections only. And you see the option is different, and I can pick and choose video or text or audio only, something like that. I can also oh no, not this one. I can also enter a year on the year publish, and also I want to pick and choose the world music. World music here, world music. Then I can perform a search, for example. By the way, you can also, I see that there is 10K items found under my criteria. For example, I want to multi-select world music and also American music as well. Okay, this changes just a little bit, but and I can also click here to browse the offer. See, you can pick and choose. For example, I can, oh, it's still working, okay. For example, I just randomly pick, and I can add item here, then it will search. Oh, only one item found. Okay, it worked like this, but of course, you can always feel free to cancel it. Oh, 0 item. That means this guy don't have any item here. Okay, something like that. Okay, then you can perform your search. That means before the results that show up, you have an idea how many results or if there's any result will return. Okay, something like this. This audio clip, you can click it, and I can play it. I can play it, and I can jump to another track. I want to jump to track 4. So it jump to track 4 instantly, and I also can create an audio clip here, audio clip.
This is not 38,
the same
but it's old 97.
the same
You must
methodology,
put her in the
and
dime
the
bill
end
all the time. He turned and said to
beginning
his
and the
black
end.
greasy fireman, just
They
shovel
show the
on a
timestamp
little
here.
more coal.
That means I will have a clip
And
on
when
1 minute
cross
and
that
10
white
seconds,
oak
something like that.
mountain,
You can
watch
enter your title.
97
You can
roll.
select it.
It's
Just
a
me
mighty
or
rough road
at my
from
institution
Lynchburg
or
to
everyone.
Danville on a
Okay.
line on a 3-mile grade. It was
Even though the
all
appearance
Daddy
is
Lord,
design
his
is
daddy,
different,
you
but the
could see
concept is
what
the
a
same.
jump
The
he
concept is the same.
He was going down the grade, making
Okay.
90 miles an hour when his whistle
And you can
broke
always go
into
back to the
scream.
main page by taking the Alexander Street here, and you can also check your playlist. Have you create any playlist here? This is the playlist I create before. Okay, and with this playlist, you can add in playlist. For example, you can click this one, and it will show what item is included in this playlist. There are 2 items, something like that. Of course I can play it now, and I can also create a link so that I can copy to my I can share this link with my friend or my colleague. I can I can also create a link that I can share with the kind of e-learning management tool like Modi or Noodles or something like that. Okay, I think with the time's up. Do you mind to stay a little longer, or you want me to stop here? Because actually, the audio, the video platform is more or less the same. Please give me 1 minute. I can show you. Actually, it is more or less the same. The transcript. Oh, it's still running.
So
The
tough
transcript
that when a
is
Tootsie
running here.
school superintendent spotted
It
Sharon,
is just like the
he tried hard
multimedia
to
platform,
smile, but
and
couldn't pull it off.
it showed the detail, and these are the clips. There's no clip here because I
Sharon
haven't yet
expressed her
created
sorrow
any
in
clip from
Japanese
this
as she
video,
gave
so
Batuti's
there's no
vice
clip
mayor
here.
a gift.
Of course, you can create clip. Oh, it asked me to log in again. I'm I just signed in with another account.
Oh, thank you.
I can create clip. See, it's more or less the same. You can enter the title, enter the description. You can also move it. See the timestamp here. When to start, when to finish. Oh, 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 something like this. And also you can select private or only me or public or institutional. Actually, the more or less the same. And you can cite. For example, I'm using APA 7. I want to change the APA 7. That means okay. And then you can also export it to different format. RIS format, which is I think is good for the EndNote. Okay. And Do you want me to stop here? Sorry, always overrun.
I think we can nearly stop here because
Okay,
it's already
okay.
2 minutes overrun, and
Yeah.
I think the platform, the features for the video platform and also the multimedia platform is more or less a little bit similar.
Yeah,
We can
yes.
see the transcript. We can edit the clips, and also if you want to share the
Yes.
videos with
Yes.
others, people in the institution, do the citation. These platforms provide these features for all the students and our scholars. Yes, which is very useful when our users doing the research.
Yes. Hope you find it useful.
Yes, I think this is really useful. And the music that you just play with the guitar and the song is quite relaxing.
A picture of his
Okay.
former boss, the mayor. Tucci's mayor.
So students and also all the attendees for this afternoon workshop, do you have any questions related to our Alexander Street platform? Do you have any questions? For this workshop, we can find that other than the text-based databases like the ProQuest and other general articles database, we also provide a variety of the multimedia databases, just like the Alexander Script platform. So don't miss the chance to try it out if you haven't tried yet. And spend some time to watch the video. I think it's quite interesting. Some other documentary, like the BBC collection, is very interesting, and it is not available on the YouTube. If you just go to YouTube website, you are not able to take it out, right? This is
Yes. Most of the video are not available properly.
Yeah, this is what you need if you personally to pay, but as a HKBU student or HKBU scholars, you are eligible to try these resources and enjoy the video on our platform.